Okay, so now this is my bag, and don't gasp. This is what it looks like. So please help me.
Okay, this is the chaos pile.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. This is everything I need for a day at work. My book, my makeup.
Look at the highlight of this.
My shit. Okay, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed.
How many
Sorry.
times do you lose your shit just finding things?
I mean, this is a daily struggle. It's not even a daily struggle. It's every minute by minute struggle, you know.
Okay,
so
and like money open, wires tangled.
We've been there, Vani.
Okay. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
yeah.
Okay.
Like,
So now please do your fairy godmother magic with TidyUp on this.
Now let me show you what this thing can do for your bag.
Okay, so 1 minute. This is the PS print.
Yes.
Collab
this is the
TidyUp.
classic
So
print.
exciting. Okay, please do the magic.
so this is an organizer, guys, and basically all the stuff will go in here. And my partner party will do that for you. Alright, should we show her?
Are you ready, Payal?
I am very
Are you
excited.
ready to see the 2.0 version? There.
Oh my god. Okay, guys, you all saw the before and this is the after. This is absolutely insane. I can't believe there is a place for every single thing I have.
So now, like, if I tell you, like, find your inch tape, which you, I'm sure, is always like open and crazy in your bag.
Okay, hello, it's right here.
See how easy it is?
Yes, I mean, honestly, 99% of the times I'm like, my hand is in the bag and I'm like struggling to find some ball of tape. And I mean, this is incredible, guys. I have all this. So this is like the beauty section. I'm assuming you've done it with some thought. There is sunblock, cream, lipstick, perfume, tissues, my entire makeup kit, sunglasses. This is absolutely incredible. Sleeping mask, a little pocket for like money that's, you know, safely put away. You can put jewelry in it, I guess. My diary, water, sanitizer, power bank, earphones. I mean, this is pen, visiting cards, gum. Guys, I think you have just changed my life. I know you've changed many people's lives, but you've just changed my life because, you know, like the amount of time, like small, like every single time I put my hand in the bag, that 1 extra minute that it takes me to find something, I'm going to kind of pile up all those minutes, and you've kind of saved me a few years in my life. And I guess made people around me's lives better because I'll be less frustrated and less upset with myself. And this is absolutely incredible. I mean, this is truly life-changing. You know,
Yes.
I mean, I'm sure you get that from a lot of your clients. But for me, imagine I'm doing the collab with you and I'm still getting so excited seeing this. So